And here we see that Krishna has stolen away Rukmini from the hands of the non-devotees. That Krishna can steal anyone away. He can steal away the pure soul, even in the midst of a demonic mentality. That is why one of his names is Hari. Hari means who can steal away. Because Rukmini was desirous, I want to go with Krishna. In spite of so many obstacles, he came and easily took her away. Simply if we desire, I want to serve Krishna, even we have so many disqualifications, even so many obstacles are there, Krishna easily can come and take us away. Take out that pure soul and leave all the garbage behind. But we have to cultivate the desire to serve Krishna. If we don't have the desire, we may put on so much show. I am a great devotee, I am a great soul. But if we don't have the desire to serve Krishna, we're all bluff. Inside it will be dry, like a dry twig. There will be no juice. And even if there's some obstacle, even if there's some defect, if we cultivate the desire to serve Krishna, to manifest, to fulfill His desire, then everything becomes juicy. And Krishna, He easily takes away that pure spirit soul, and all the demons are destroyed. Murari means who can kill the demons. The killer of the demon Mura. So just like Krishna killed so many demons, He can kill the demons in our mind that are causing us to desire sense gratification, prestige, distinction, adoration. He can easily kill all these demons.